Hello guys, today we are going to create this beautiful animation in the After Effects, and don't forget to subscribe please, and let's go. So guys, we're already in the After Effects and today we need to create something like this. It looks very beautiful and really amazing. So I have composition number 2. I already prepared the part we will make today. This part contains the main principles and mechanics of this composition, but guys, if you will put, I guess, 20 likes for this video, I will make the second part for sure, so it's up to you. So today we need to create something like this. Probably when you will be able to create this part, you will be able to create other parts for this composition as well. So first of all, we need to create the mask. Guys, how personally I did it, I just downloaded the video from After Visuals and started to draw it by myself. So just like this, and when you will have your mask, for example, you already have your mask, you will need to make the gradient for it. I'm not sure guys, you will need to create 100% similar compositions, so you will make your own gradients for it. I just need to show today the main principles for this composition, and I just want to save your time, that's why I'm not showing how I draw in this mask, because this video will be for 1 hour or even more. So guys, when you will have your own mask, you will need to create this perfect effect with this lighting, this like energy around the mask, yeah. So guys, this effect named Saber, and I think most of you already have it. When you downloaded this effect, what do you need to do? Look, I have the mask, it's here. As you can see, the main mask is here, shape layer number 1. So you will need to find the layer on the top and use the auto trace. I don't know why you can see it, but you will need just to press OK and you will have something like that. After that, you will need to put the saber on your after traced mask, and then we need to use our preset for it and go to the customize score and choose the layer mask. So now we have something like this, and the next part we need to go to the render settings and choose the transparent. Now it looks like this. You will change your own color for it to make it better. So, and you will have your mask. It will look perfect, but you can see that in their animation, I mean in animation of After Visuals, this guy's using this saber when the mask goes to the second position, yeah. So at the first position it disabled, and here it appears. How we can do exactly like this, you can see it here. I need to put it on. So guys, this is core size. I have a 0-second core size keyframe, and on the first second I have increased that property to 0.6, maybe. It's up to you, you can choose. Maybe you want to increase or make it less. So as I said, it's up to you. Also guys, the main thing you also want to know, animation of this eye, brows and his mouth. So for this composition I have a lot of shape layers. So this is the mouse. You can see how it's animating here. So let's make it one more time together. So guys, for the mouse I want to select the pen tool and we will make something like this. It will be something like this, I guess. So if we have a look, it's something like this, just increasing the volume of his mouse, yeah. And guys, for his eye, we also need just to make it something like this. Just edit the path. And like this. So, have a look. Perfect. And for the brow, we just change the position. One moment, I also want to remove this mouse. So guys, for this brows, I only changed the position. It follows the eye. Looks cool. So guys, that was the main part of this composition, but also I want you to show how you can do this perfect background, create the new composition. I'm creating the solid and adding the grid. Once you added the grid, guys, you will need to make some adjustments for it. It's up to you. I'm also decreasing the opacity for it. Now it looks like that. Also, I want to create one more solid and now we will add the gradient for it. Gradient ramp. We will have the black at the top and at the bottom something like that. I think it looks good. So guys, you have your background. Also guys, I want you to show this slide on the text. If you don't know how to do it, nothing too hard. I'm going to composition number 2. I already created the text and I added the gradient ramp, so you can just find it here also. I have here 2 points on the bottom and the top of the text. Then we need to find the CC light sweep effect. So as you can see, I already applied it, but let's create it together. Basically, I use the direction about 60. For me, it's more convenient and it looks much more better. So I created the keyframe on the first second and I need to move forward and change the position of the center. So as we see, it's our keyframes and I'm pressing F9, going to the graph editor and I will make it something like this to make it more smooth. So if we see, let's have a look. Maybe it's too fast, maybe something like this. Yeah, it looks good. But guys, it's up to you. Maybe you will have maybe bigger text and you want to make it slower or maybe faster, so it's up to you. Guys, I hope I brought you some value with this animation breakdown, so please don't forget to like, subscribe and put some comments for my efforts. So I just want to bring the value for you and I guess you have it and you will now be able to create your own compositions in that style. And if you will have some questions, you also can ask me. I'll answer you in the comments. So guys, thank you for your support. And as I said, 20 likes and I'll show you how we can create the another part for this composition. I wish you good luck and see you soon. Bye.